This little component right here is the part responsible for the car's fast charging capabilities.
This is the charging port block. They come with CCS support and without CCS support. You can check this on the screen. Come on, I'll show you. Software or software, if your language is set to English and not Russian. And here, CCS and third-party charging are enabled. So you don't need to change the block here.
But
here, not all superchargers will work. Well, not everyone comes from such a wealthy family like you. Not everyone travels to Europe. So, like, if someone does go to Europe, then they need a block that, well, CCS, basically. A European one, a European block.
you need to replace the CCS block with a standard European one, so that you can conveniently and easily charge throughout Europe at all available superchargers.
Regarding superchargers, for American cars, the supercharger is disabled by default and you must enable it manually. This can be done. That's how it goes. People use free superchargers at no cost, but Tesla stopped it, causing an outcry.
Yes, everyone involved got upset, and now the situation with enabling to enable the supercharger and for Tesla not to disable it again, it still doesn't seem to work quite right. So if you have a disabled supercharger, you come to us for repairs and your supercharger is turned off. Tesla has disabled it. Then if we just enable it, it might turn off again after about a minute. And in order for it to work, you need to purchase a special module from us, which we install right here on the CCS adapter. And this module allows you to enable the supercharger, and Tesla can no longer turn it off.
Here we have an American car, and if it's supported here, this is, you can tell it's Gen 4 by the pipes. Those are the aluminum pipes running here from the battery to the port. This means it's a Gen 4 system. If there were thick copper wires here, then it would be Gen 3.
These two little pipes are responsible for charging your car with 3 phases. You replace them, plus you replace the port, plus you replace the charging flap, and we reflash everything, and your car starts working like a European one. And this is basically the best solution. But there is a catch. And now Dima will tell you about this catch.
Replace the pipes and also replace and add wires for 3-phase power. In Europe, only fast charging uses the pipes, while in America, both fast and slow charging use them. In Europe, only fast charging goes through here, while slow charging uses 4 wires connecting the port to the battery right here. This is an American battery, here's a plug, and these pipes connect right here. This is a Gen 4 unit with CCS support. For Ukraine, this is more than enough for you. If you're going to Europe, then you need to replace it with a Gen 4, but the European version.